Hi, I'm Shreya, the one who brings great people advisor. And we have Joshua with us today, who has joined us as a full stack developer intern. So let's understand his journey and his experience advisor.
Hello, my name is Joshua Lewis. I'm a final year student of Father Conceição Rodriguez College of Engineering. I'm currently working as Visor as a full stack intern.
So, Joshua, when you first joined Visor, what was your first impression about Visor?
It was the onboarding process. The onboarding process was quite smooth and we got understanding of the product. I could understand the product really well and the team was very supportive and helpful.
Okay. And what was the most exciting part of Visor for you?
It is the process, how things work over here, how the team works, like they work on various softwares, and how actually the product is made and brought live.
Okay, you mentioned about the onboarding process. So, how onboarding process helped you throughout your journey?
So I worked here for 2 weeks. So in my first week, I did testing, and second week, I have done a written test case about the product. So I really got a hang about the product and helped me to understand the product really well. So I can also focus on the development side of it, and I can understand how the product works. And the team was very supportive. Like they're helping me from day one in whatever difficulties I face. The team comes up and helps me anytime.
Okay. So, if you go back to your first day advisor, what would you tell yourself?
I would tell myself to be calm, be passionate, and try to learn more and give your 100% in learning. Because every day is a new challenge, and every day you get to learn something new.
Okay. So, you have previous experience, right?
Yes,
So, how Wiser stands out differently from your previous company?
I guess the process which Visor follows that stands out from the other companies. Like there is a process, there is a structure, there is a well-defined structure and a format. Like how things will go, if things go wrong, what will happen, and this is well defined. Like in my previous internship, it was not like that. But at Visor, I really get to know how things work and how the journey is, how the process takes place.
So, what does taking ownership mean to you, and how does that play to you at Wiser?
Taking ownership over here is just beyond taking a task. It is taking the responsibility of the product and understanding more of the product and how things perform.
What's something about the Wiser you didn't anticipate it, but you now appreciate it?
I guess the process, how Visor works, and the team. This was which I didn't anticipated, like how things takes place. The process is well defined, and there's a proper structure on how things work over here. There is time to time guidelines and sequence through which we have to go in order to complete a process, and hence the overall project.
Okay. So you mentioned about the project. It's been 2 weeks you're working here. Can you give me a brief about any challenging project you have worked at Pfizer?
So currently, the Visor is keep on developing its current project. So I got to write test case about a certain project, and I came across some task where I had to do work on new tasks, and that was something difficult on writing test cases for something which is new and not created. So it was a challenging task, but I've improved and I'm becoming efficient in it.
So throughout this project, did you have any moment where you need to trust your instinct and work on it?
Yes, there were definitely a phase in this project where I couldn't understand things and I had to trust my instinct on how things could work. So there's where it came into place.
Okay. Have you faced any obstacle since you have joined Visor?
Yes, there was the product is quite really complex. So understanding it on the first day was not easy, but through guidance and through mentorship and through help of the team, I really got to know more about the project and now I understand it quite fluently. Like I can even code on it and it is really very easy.
How would you describe the dynamic culture at Visor?
The culture, work culture over here is quite fast and rapid. like changes take place at a quite rapid pace. Like we have to work really fast on any project and keep continuously developing it and bringing new changes to the project.
So, what's one thing you have learned here and that's going to be a very long lasting impact on you?
I guess it's iterative approach of how you work on a project. Like you have to continuously be developing it and continuously working hard in order to bring info improvement to the project. And we have to work on minute details, and that fine details make the change to the project.
How would you define the team advisor?
The team is quite collaborative and very easy to approach. Like if I have any problem and I approach any member of the team, they're really quite supportive and they give real guidance and help me to understand more about the project, thus helping me to have a clear thought on how I can go about.
So, where do you see yourself growing in the visor in few months?
In few months I hope I can really code on this project and really contribute more and more toward the development of this project. I can bring out rapid changes and bring out the development of this project.
If any new intern comes to you to ask an advice about the visor, what it would be?
I would say like the intern should be passionate and should have a habit to learn new things every day. Like at Visor, we face challenges every day and every day we learn something new. So he or she should be able to learn new things.
So, if you had to sum up visor in one sentence, what it would be?
Iterative learning, passionate, and ownership.
Okay, great. So, thank you, Joshua, for your time. It was great understanding and listening to how Visor has impacted on your
Thank you.
career.